Elisha Taylor Baker was born 17 February 1827, died 21 August 1890. He was an American marine artist from New York City. He was a ship portraitist, luminist and landscape painter. Baker painted full-rigged ships, yachts, steamboats and schooners. Baker spent some time at sea in 1851. He worked in New York City as a marine painter from 1868 to 1880. He traveled around New England painting full-rigged ships, yachts, steamboats and coasting schooners. He painted some landscapes and marine artwork. Baker had two art styles of marine painting. One as a ship portraitist and the other as a luminist. He experimented with marine subjects at sunset, moonlight or in the fog. His works are in the art collections of the New Bedford Whaling Museum, the Mariners Museum and Park, and the Mystic Seaport Museum.